Want to know how to share your post with someone in Playsee? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Playsee application. And once you've opened it up, here you should be provided with this interface right here. And on the bottom left side, you should be seeing this friend icon, or your post icon. Just simply select it, and here you should be seeing various posts. So on the right side, you should be seeing this share icon right here. You can just simply select it, where you can just simply post your reply or share it. Or here you should be seeing this small three dot icon right here, right on the right side of this post. Just simply select it, and here you should be seeing share this post right here. So once you have selected it, here you can just simply share this post by copying link or share it to various other options or your friends. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.